West Michigan, boy, we are looking at what is going to be a brutally cold weekend. Starting out with fairly quiet conditions this morning, 5:11 now on this Friday morning. Traffic moving along fairly smoothly through downtown Grand Rapids, US 131 north and southbound. So what are we tracking for you? Well, the cold start to the day today. Snow will be developing with a little light snow showing up on the radar still this morning. But we're talking about the storms, about the snow coming in with this next Arctic cold front. That rolls in starting late this afternoon, this evening, and tonight. And as the winds pick up, blowing and drifting becomes a huge issue as the coldest air that we have seen, not just this year, but perhaps the coldest air that we have seen in several years gets set to move in. We're talking wind chills by Saturday night into early Sunday morning, running 20 to perhaps even 35 below zero. Temperatures this morning, 11 in Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo, 13 degrees in Holland, South Haven, Muskegon, 8 in Ionia, 4 below. That's the current air temp in Mount Pleasant, 6 below zero in Jackson. And you factor in the wind, we got a wind chill of 19 below in Jackson, 12 below in Lansing, and 2 below zero now in Grand Rapids. The core of the cold air again gripping the Great Lakes region and upper Midwest. And you can see this again, Saginaw is 16 below. 15 below the current wind chill, Mackinac Island, 23 below in Marquette. So what are we talking about here? We've got the light snow in the area, the light lake effect along and west of US 131, but you can start to see evidence in central and northwestern Wisconsin of that next system coming our way, and that's the one, by the way, which is going to energize the snow showers for us later this evening and tonight. And by the way, check this out. Just had to show you this. Portions of Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee will be seeing the snow too. So it's not just a Great Lakes event this time around. Freeze warnings up all the way down into central and northern Florida. As you can see, Futurecast computer models, here comes that light snow late this afternoon into this evening. Continuing tonight, the winds pick up too, so that's going to cause the blowing and drifting to become a huge problem for travelers during the overnight period and then during the day tomorrow. Occasional snow showers with temperatures outside again dropping during the day. And that 8-day forecast shows the core of the coldest air settling in by Saturday night and Sunday, with temperatures in the double digits below zero and really no sign of anything warm coming our way again anytime soon. So meteorologist Matt Kirkwood breaking down the specific impact almost period by period as we head through the weekend.
Well, as Terry mentioned, yeah, some really nasty weather heading our way, in particular on Saturday. And because of that, the National Weather Service has the first 2-tier counties along the lakeshore in a winter storm watch. Whenever you see that, it's going to be upgraded to something, whether it's a warning or advisory. So make sure you tune in to Bill Steff and Kyle Underwood later on today when they'll likely do that upgrade. But it signals, hey, we got some pretty nasty weather heading our way. Snowfall forecast. First, that it looks like in general 2 to as much as 6 inches worth of snow area wide as you head inland. Lesser amounts, 1 to 2 inches. The problem is the wind is really going to pick up, especially later on tonight and Saturday, and it's going to be a real light, fluffy snow, probably a 20-25 to 1 ratio. And you can see these are sustained winds. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, but look how they really ramp up. Sustained wind by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. In the 20 to 30 mile an hour range, we'll have wind gusts exceeding that. What's that mean? Well, you know, it means a lot of whiteout conditions, blowing and drifting snow, difficult travel, and then with the falling temperatures, that's the other facet of it. We're going to see temperatures start out in the teens and fall to around zero by the end of the day. And with that wind, we're talking wind chill values 15 to 25 degrees below zero during the afternoon, likely even colder Saturday night.
Wow, so perhaps you want to take your sweetie to a movie rather than going ice fishing.
Yes, exactly. Although it is free ice fishing weekend.
It is free.
Ironically, yes, indeed. So, and don't have to worry about the ice thickness this weekend either.
Right, yeah.
Right.
It's working out very well for the free fishing weekend, except for the temps.
So find a shanty and hop on in.
Yeah.
Well, you know, it is a warm idea.